Mabuhay! I'm Julian J. Espares and I'm here to talk about what I've learned in cruise leisure and recreation tourism. Cruise leisure and recreation tourism refers to travel for pleasure on a cruise ship, encompassing the voyage itself on board, amenities, and port of call experience. It's form of tourism where the cruise ship acts as a floating resort, offering an all-inclusive vacation package. This includes a variety of onboard activities and excursion at different destinations. And these are the cruise ship facilities. First, stateroom space. A cruise ship has a stateroom or a cabin ship. Staterooms are usually extremely compact, but all spaces are well utilized to answer all the guests' needs. Second, private space. Private space are reserved for the ship's personnel. This include the cruise cabins, cafeteria, gym, and recreation facilities, the bridge where the vessel is controlled, the gallery of kitchen, and the machine areas. And the third is public spaces. These are areas dedicated to passengers' usage. The public areas in cruise ship are similar with those of land-based hotels. That's all. Choose tourism, choose you in Manila.